Laser creation has never been about just one method. Tyvok features a spacious 1200 x 700 millimeter work area. This is a machine built to meet real needs. Auto leveling ensures precise and clean engraving, with no manual calibration required. Tyvok's redesigned internal structure and advanced motion control deliver up to 1000 millimeter per second engraving fast and clean. Forget traditional limitations. Every detail of Tyvok is built for safe, clean, and focused operation, helping you create with peace of mind. Tyvok K1 works perfectly with light burn and also comes with Tyvok Studio. Tyvok's top and bottom airflow design automatically removes smoke and fumes, keeping your workspace clean and your cuts uninterrupted. Tyvok delivers clean, accurate cuts. Even 3D signage comes together in a single pass, turning ideas into real products instantly. Transparent acrylic and glass? No problem. Tyvok cuts cleanly through sensitive materials with high precision. Its strength lies in mechanical precision thanks to Y-axis lead screws. Every project looks professional and high-end. Tyvok excels at cutting leather, and fabric one pass is all it takes to complete a full garment layout. Built-in camera scanning detects and positions every item automatically. Batch engraving is seamless. Global 24/7's technical support means you're always covered with remote diagnostics. You can also submit repair or service requests manually at any time through our easy-to-use support system.